What's going on YouTube? Back here with another video for you. So I haven't posted one yet. It's been a busy week, which is a good thing. It's a good problem to have, but at the end of the day, it's still a problem. So what we did, what I've done this week was had a few jobs. This weekend, Friday and Saturday, been busy. Today's Sunday. I'm taking it easy. Hanging out with the wife, not doing too much or anything, but. Got some updates on the trail. I've been working on that on and off all week. Trying to get it done for this weekend, but that ain't happening. But it's okay. Probably first part of next week, I'll get it finished up, hit the deck on it and all. But I'm trying to think what to show y'all first. I guess I'll go ahead and show y'all the trail. Alright, it's blue. Got it all painted up now. Well, mostly. Got some places I gotta touch up and finish, but got most of it painted, which is good. Just about ready to start putting the lights in, and then when the wiring, put the lights. I ordered new brake backing plates with all the hub assembly and all. They're supposed to be here Thursday. Today is Sunday. And now they're saying they're supposed to be here by Tuesday or Wednesday. And I still gotta clean up under there and paint all that. But so, thanks Amazon, 2-day shipping. My butt. That kind of put a whole damper on trying to get this thing done anyway. And then I'll show y'all that in a minute. But yeah, that way I can have trail brakes. But yeah, I gotta take a grinder to all this and smooth it all out. But it's just about there, to be honest with you. And then when the wiring, finish up the painting, do the wiring, then I can put the deck on it. And once I get the deck on it, we will be in business. Put the deck on it, and then change the wheel bearings and all that, and do all the brakes. We'll be good to go. That's about all I got left on this. So it's coming together, slowly but surely. Some little update. I don't know if I made an update with this box on here, but I made a catch-all box. I put chains and all that stuff in there. So that's that. So yeah, hopefully by the end of next week I'll have this thing buttoned up and ready. I got everything I need to build the ramps. Oh, that's weird. It's paint from there, but it's anyway. Yeah, I got all the stuff I need to build the ramps over on the welding truck. So it'll be a similar design to those, but it's gonna be angle iron, but then it's gonna have what it called, wood on it instead of the treads like that. I just like it better, smoother. But yeah, so that's that. Let me show y'all what else. So, let me spin y'all back around. So yeah, this week's been pretty busy. Been going almost every day. Helped Dove out. Y'all may have saw it on Instagram, but I had to help Dove out on the job of his. He got himself in no predicament, so I had to come over and help him with the auto crane. I'm glad to do it. It wasn't that far away, but I was just glad to do it. It was fun. But yeah, he got me that, and then had to go up and change a hose on a bobcat for a client of mine. Somehow I get myself roped into working on equipment like that. Wasn't that big a deal. I got paid for it. It pays the same, so what else? And then Friday I did another steel pan job. Nothing too exciting. Knocked them out pretty quickly and got going. Then I got a mailbox repair, and then I think that's all I did on Friday. Yesterday I did a lift gate on a semi truck. We plated it. Essentially we built half of it. That was a fun job. It was an all-day affair. All day. Worst part is that it was a quote job, not a by the hour job. So what you gonna do? Still made decent. Didn't make weight, but I made decent money. So I ended up making like $45 an hour, which is not my weight at all. But all things considered, it could have been a lot worse. But that's what's been going on lately here. I'm thinking possibly sometime next week or the week after I'll get the Bobcat. I was talking to the guy the other day and he said, yeah, he's about to get his new one. So hopefully that'll work out. That'll be a nice video I can make of building the skid and all that. I look forward to doing that for y'all. I think what else is going on? Gotta get up back with my parents, work on a couple of things. This next week I already got pretty much planned. And it's not even Monday yet. So it's a good problem. Take a walk when you can get it. That's for sure. But yeah, I gotta get that trail done. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, I'll show y'all this old lift gate. I didn't take no picture. I took a little video of me starting on it, but other than that, I didn't take a whole lot of video or nothing. So I'm gonna spin y'all around, and today I gotta clean out my truck. Then the day I was done, so I just kind of threw everything in the truck. But I'll spin y'all around and show y'all. So what we had to replace, that's one section. The rest is down here up underneath my jack stands. But yeah, so I had to replace that. As you can see, it's pretty seen its better days. So yeah, that's basically what we got. Like I said, I gotta clean out all this crap. Once I get this truck reorganized and not such a pigsty, I'm gonna do another video on this. Since the last time I did an actual rig tour, I'm gonna do a second one, update and showing you showing you all a couple of new things I got on it and what I would do differently and stuff of that nature. But yeah. Oh, another thing, my AC went out on this the other day. On Friday. I went to turn on, I went, man, that's warm. Why is this not working? Normally it's ice cold ale. Whatever, drove all day. Later that day, I went and got a set of gauges from the local AutoZone. Put it on it, no pressure. Got looking. And, well, I'm just gonna show y'all because I live in here. Let me show y'all what has happened. I'm not gonna be able to see this, but okay. So you see that little hose clamp right there? Down there is an AC line. It was touching it, and over time it whaled a hole in it, and then that is what caused my AC to stop working. So the most part is I just put that line in last year, but what you gonna do? So that's that. I was gonna go to AutoZone or one of them and go get one, but none of them had one, and then one had to order it, and it'll be a few days before they get it. So I just went on the old Amazon and found what I was looking for. Got a replacement on its way, so that'll work out good. Then I just gotta take all this out, put the new hose on, vacuum down the system, and recharge it. It's not a huge deal, but it's just more of an inconvenience. But yeah. So that's about it. I think I'm gonna wrap this video up for y'all. Sorry, I gotta sneeze, but yeah, that's basically what's been going on. Just trying to get everything sorted out. I do gotta order a couple parts with auto crane, like always. I had a solenoid to go out on me, so replace that. One other thing I want to ask y'all about. So I'm having some problems, another problem with the auto crane with the lifting. See if I can show y'all. This valve, Yeah, there we go. That valve right there. It's getting stuck. So basically what that does is it's basically a check valve. It requires pressure to release it, so it won't just, it takes all the pressure off the lines. Take pressure to release it, to let it back down. So what happened is it's getting stuck to where it'll bog the pump down and it won't move. Sometimes you can tap on it and it'll come free, sometimes it won't. This from AutoClean is like $500, which if it comes down to that, it's fine. It is what it is. But I'm gonna see if I saw one just like this on Granger's website. I think it's the same. I gotta take this one off and take it in and have them look at it and see and go from there. But hopefully it is, because it's like $100. A lot easier to swallow. So I'm gonna take that in. I want to say tomorrow, but sometime this week to Granger, see what they can find for me. But if anybody knows anything about them, it's a counterbalance valve, I think is what they call it. I don't know if they can be rebuilt or if they can. I've taken that screw out and it gets stuck. Sometimes I take that screw out and it straightens out. But don't know if anybody knows anything about rebuilding them or if anybody know a good source to find them. Let me know. Leave in the comment section below. I'd be greatly appreciated. But that's about it. So I think I'm going to wrap this video up for y'all. And yeah, if y'all have any comments, concerns, anything like that, leave it in the comment section below. I'm going to get some more build videos up for y'all. I'm trying. It's just a work in progress. That's all I can say. And yeah. Yeah. We can get another rig tool made soon. And then we can get started working on rig number 2, which I am super excited about. But I've just kind of waiting on the machine to do it. I probably could be doing some stuff. I might need to get some airbags for it. Just kind of sitting a little down. I thought about just dropping the front down a little bit because I couldn't get that up. So I'll figure that out. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good one.